follow me here. I want to share with you some of the things that can happen for you as well. Even if you're a newbie, even though if you're a newbie and you want to get the results with affiliate marketing, promoting high ticket products, right? There are different ways. Now, if you're watching this video and if you want to have lifestyle like this, traveling around the world, having fun, I would suggest you to start picking some mentor that can help you and a system that's going to pay you handsome commissions. In this case, I would suggest some high ticket offer. And why high ticket offer? Because imagine this, if you're getting from $500 to $2,000 profit in commissions per day, right, for each sale, then of course you can scale up much more faster, you can get better results, especially if you have done for you traffic sources, and if you have someone to guide you through step by step and show you how it's properly done, right? So you have support group, you have people who are already doing it, you have someone to mentor you and guide you along the way. So if you're watching this video and if you want to have done for you mentorship, high ticket affiliate offer that is paying out $2,000 per sale commissions, then what you can do is, after watching this video, is click the link below. You'll see the lender, basically the link to my page and also to my email, right? So you can check out my email, my number, my social media accounts, Facebook or Instagram. You can reach out to me there and ask me more about how you can get started with this new high ticket affiliate marketing program that's making huge commissions for lots of people, not only me, but newbies just like you watching this video right now in this moment, who want to make extra money, who want to enjoy their life, who want to travel around the world and have results with affiliate marketing. So again, thank you for watching this video. And if you want to have results with affiliate marketing, click the links below, subscribe to my channel and click the like button to get more helpful tips.